smoke on your face today will replace your illness with happiness tomorrow. Quit now. Hello guys, so here we are with the very first edition of Josh Talks. Josh Talk is a platform where we'll be discussing various issues related to tobacco. Smoking causes lung cancer and it can cause cancer almost anywhere on your body. Tobacco kills more people than any other addiction and it's high time we educate young and old people alike to stay away from tobacco. So here we are today to discuss and understand each other's perspective.
No, we should definitely not use tobacco because it causes cancer and other health problems too. So it's not safe to use or consume tobacco.
If you will ask me about the opinion, then one should not consume tobacco products.
No, we definitely not go for tobaccos and smoking because it is very injurious to health.
I don't think that anyone is supposed to consume tobacco because it is really harmful, not only for that person but only for his whole family.
My answer is also same that we don't go for tobacco क्योंकि हमारी फर्दर लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है और हमारी शरीर के साथ साथ अब हमारी फैमिली के भी फ्यूचर बहुत डार्क में चला जाता है टोबैको की वजह से.
No, one should not consume tobacco because it is harmful for their health and if they suffer, their family will also suffer.
No, according to me, no one should consume tobacco as it causes lung cancer and the many diseases, and not only he, but the family also suffers a lot because of him.
As we all know, tobacco is always harmful for your health because it increases the risk of heart attack and it damages your heart.
As a non-smoker, we are also getting affected from the person who is smoking around us because passive smoking is also as dangerous as active smoking.
We all know that tobacco are harmful for our health. We all know these products are in the market, freely available for people to buy. And the people consuming the tobacco, more than them, the people around them are getting affected because they do not know, they are getting used to it.
And as a smoker, if we are smoking in front of teenagers, it influences them directly or indirectly because it's considered cool in their peer group.
There are a lot of things to say on this, but I am going to cover 2 to 3 points. पहला तो ये है peer pressure. Youngster may feel pressurized from their friend and start smoking. जैसे आपका कोई फ्रेंड सर्कल है जिसमें आप स्मोकिंग नहीं करते हैं, बाकी सभी लोग स्मोकिंग और वो सब करते हैं, तो वो आपको इन्फ्लुएंस करेंगे.
Basically, some of them are motivated by peer pressure, so they just want to be like their friends. And also, if the adults in their home are smoking, so they just want to be like them. And for those people who are socially awkward, they just want to fit in, so they just start smoking.
Yes, our new youngsters are indulging in smoking and tobacco क्योंकि उनको लोग इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं बहुत आसानी से. जैसे कि आजकल की मूवीज़ और एडवर्टाइजमेंट इतने कैची और वो होते हैं कि वो लोग स्मोकिंग और टोबैको को बहुत एज आ वो समझते हैं शो ऑफ की तरह.
देखो, बनाने वाले तो बनाएंगे भी और आराम से बेचेंगे भी क्योंकि इसमें उनका प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, उनको पैसे मिल रहे हैं. अगर हमें खुद को हेल्थ कॉन्शियस बनना चाहिए और हमें इन सब चीज़ों पे नहीं जाना चाहिए. ना ही हमको स्मोकिंग करनी चाहिए, ना ही टबैको कंज्यूम करना चाहिए और ना ही ड्रिंक करना चाहिए. हमें अपने लिए खुद ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा.
On the behalf of the businessman, if I have to speak, then he is actually taking a right step. Because he wants profit. He is a businessman. He is not thinking about the health of anyone.
जो प्रोडक्शन लाइन है इंडिया में बहुत 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 ज़्यादा है. गवर्नमेंट को उस पर भी बैन लगाना चाहिए और क्योंकि बनेगा तो लोग यूज़ करेंगे. जैसे कि पॉलीथीन अगर नहीं बनेगी तो लोग नहीं यूज़ करेंगे. ऐसे ही क्योंकि ड्रग बहुत बुरी चीज़ है एक कंट्री के लिए, तो वो बननी ही नहीं चाहिए.
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, जो लोग कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं वो ज़्यादा गलत है एज़ कम्पेयर टू जो उनको प्रोवाइड करा रहे हैं. बिकॉज मार्केट में एज अ पॉइजन भी मिलता है बट सब लोग पॉइजन नहीं लेते हैं.
यहाँ पे दोनों ही तरफ से गलतियाँ हैं क्योंकि अगर आप एक तरफ से बना रहे हो और दूसरी तरफ से उसका इक्वली कंजम्पशन हो रहा है तो उधर बेनिफिट भी हो रहा है एंड आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन मिल रहा है. पर अगर जो आपका सेकंड पार्टी जो कंज्यूमर है वो अगर यहाँ पे कंज्यूम ही नहीं करेगा उस प्रोडक्ट को तो बेचने वालों को कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं होगा. फिर इससे अपने आप ही विद द टाइम ये आपका बंद हो जाएगा इसका कंजम्पशन.
According to me, both of them are equally wrong because as a consumer, we should know what we are consuming and what we are going to do. When we are going to a shop, we should know which things we have to buy. Like if we are going to a shop, we cannot buy something which is not good for our health.
person who is smoking suffers more. He suffers physically as well as emotionally and mentally. But the family suffers emotionally and mentally.
I feel both suffers equally because the person consuming it, he knows what are the consequences, but still he is consuming the products.
I believe both suffer because when the injuries is high due to tobacco, then person is hospitalized, and due to that the family used to suffer from that.
और कहीं ना कहीं फैमिली फाइनेंशियली भी सफ़र करती है.